I like that we have got a good idea. You can find all the lessons in the students of talent. So you have to learn from the renewable science work as provided by the administrator. Then you don't have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to page 5 math, and then click on view or lessons. Here you can find the rest of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division. The lessons we take the public way up. The lessons we take the public way up. Divide two-digit and three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Divide two-digit and three-digit numbers by three-digit numbers. Word problems. Divide larger numbers by two-digit numbers. Divide larger number by two-digit number word problems. So please make sure you have your comprehensive so that you can find the good example and the question first, right? So we are now grade 5 now. Chapter we are on right now is division. So let's just start with the lesson that is divide two-digit and three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So let's just start with the lesson. The lesson we're going to start with is divide two-digit. Okay. Divide two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Divide two-digit numbers and three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So let's just start with first and from that is 46 divided by 14. So you need to count a total of 14 until 76 of the number that is less than 76. So we can go with 14 times 5, 14 times 5 is 7. So we have 6 remainder. So the answer is 5 and then there is 6. Let's just start with the test questions. Forty-eight divided by 14. So 48 divided by 14. So we count the table of 14 until 48 order number that is less than 40. So we can go for 14 times 3. 14 times 3 is 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times and 4, 42. Because 14 times 4 is 56, that will be greater. So we can go for 14 times 3. So 8 equal to 6 and 4 equal to 0. So that is 3 remainder is 6. Option 1 is the correct option. Y is 3 or 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. For distance divided by 400. So let's just divide, right? So again, we can go for 40 times 3 even. That's right. But we can go for 14 times 3, that is 46 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 3 and the remainder is the 4. That is 3 or 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Seventy six divided by 14. So let's just do it. So let's just divide 76 divided by 14. So we can go for 13 times 14 times by 17. So we have 5 or 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 5 or 6. 55 divided by 16. So let's just divide. We can go for 16 times 3, right? I know the difference. That's why I know that you guys give me that. So for the tables, I think that we can go for 16 times. So that is 48. So that is 15 divided by 8 is 7. So we have 4 or 14, 14 times 16 times 0 is 14. That is 3 or 7. The correct option is 3 or 7. That is 3R7. Option number two is the correct option. Well, divided by 10, so which is the correct option, we can go for 10 times. Still right, because 10 times is 20. That is going like that. Right. So we can go for one is, and so you subtract, that's one, on, two, option is the correct. Option number two is the correct option. Because you can complete the lesson by yourself, you will be able to change, the next lesson. The next lesson is again the problems for the same lesson. Digit number by the digit numbers your problems. So a boy wants to purchase 78 green marbles if there are 13 green marbles in each bag. How many bags of marbles should the boy buy? So we need to 73 by 30, right? So let's just divide. We can go for 13 times 6 is 78, right? So 13 times 6 is 78, we have the remainder 0. So the correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself for the today. Just move on to the next lesson. Let's just start with the questions. If you can minors need to write the elevator at the bottom of the map, the elevator can hold 13 minors. How many trips will the elevator need to make? So we have to divide 52 by 30, right? So we can go for 52 divided by 30. 13 times 4 is 52. So option number two is the correct option, that is 4. Okay, we can complete the lesson number 7. Okay, let's just remove the next questions from 4 numbers. So counting wants to buy the amount of truffles for a party. If there are 14 truffles, each box, how many boxes of truffles should the family? So we will divide 39 by 12. So 39 divided by 14. So we can go for 14 times 2 is 28, 9 take away is 1, 3 take away 2. So we need to buy 3 of them, right? We still have 11 of them remaining. So we have to buy 3 of them. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, right? Probably the next one is a bike tour in California is 1 meters long. If a clear book can like if it minimize each day, how many days will they need to complete the hour? So it's something very function. So 15 divided by 71 divided by 5. We can go for 15 times 12, 15 times 12 is 16. So how many days will they need to complete the hour? They need 4 days, right? But still they have 11 hours left. So that means 4 plus 1 is 5. So we need 5 means the correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option 5 days. The library has 71 books. If each shelf can hold 16 books, how many shelves will the library need to hold all of us? So 71 books we have. So we need to count how many shelves they need. So which is the correct option. So 71. We can go for 16 times 4, 4 times 6 is 24. That is 16, right? So 4 complete shelves and another shelf will hold 6. So that means that we will shelves are 5. Option number 2 is the correct option 5 it was. Okay, with that, complete the lesson by yourself. Today, thank you just for this lesson. The next lesson is divide larger number by two digit numbers. So 7,640 divided by 10. Let's just start with the test question that they are already solved. We can put about 1 minute of it. 5,370 divided by 70. Start with the first one, right? 17 times 3 is 15. So 3 take away 1 is 2, 5 take away 5 is 7. Now bring the next digit down, that is 7. We can go for 17 times 1 is 17 and 10. Now bring 2 over 17 times 6 is 100 and so that is 360. That is 316 option by 1 is right option. 9,386 divided by 9. So let's just divide 9,326 divided by 19. So we can go for 19 times 4, that is 76. So just subtract 19 minus 76 is 7. Now bring the other digit down, that is 8. So now we can go for 19 times 9, that is 171. So we have 6 here, bring the next digit down. Now we can go for 19 times. So 8 minus 1 is 7. We can go for 19 times 4, that is 76. Alright, so that's right option is 404. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Within 94 degrees. The next lesson is okay. Now we have to divide 1,540 by 8, so which is the correct option. Okay, so option one is the correct option, 85. So 3,781 divided by 9. So which is the correct option. 3,781 divided by 9. So let's just see how we divide. We can go for 19 times 100 because 19 times 2 is 30, right? So it would be 7 minus 17 minus 9 is 8. Bring the other 8 values. So we can convert 19 times 19 times 1 is 19. So 7 minus 5 is 18. We can go for 19 times 9. 19 times 9 is 171. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. And bring the next digit down. So again, that would be 19 times 9, that is 171. So the correct option is option number 1, that is 1 over 90. Option number 1 is the option type is 109. Okay, you can complete the lesson on the website. Let me just learn the next lesson. And the next lesson is divide larger number by digit numbers with problems. Okay, let's just next lesson. That is divide money into a problem. So when we are the numbers, we have to divide exactly the same way, right? So let's just start with the test questions. I spent $240 on 5 bananas. Bananas all cost the same amount. What is the cost of each banana? So which is the option. So 2.40 divided by 5. So 5. We can go for 0.5 times minus 20 in that 5 times 8 is equal to that is 0.4. Option number 1 is the correct option that is 0.5. If 9 diamonds cost $3.34 and 11 only cost the same amount, what is the difference in each? And then we need to calculate the price of maybe one, right? So divide 3.25. Now we can go for. That is 9 times 3 goes will be 7. I here and then go down and we can go for 9 times 6. 6 is with 4, so it's going to be that is the better function that is 0.36. Option number 1 is the correct option that is 0.36. Below on 7 cameras that each cost the same amount. The baby cost was 333 on 5 side. What was the price of each? Option number 1 is the correct option that is 47.6. Shown by 8 servings platter. The platters all have the same price. How He spends a total of $64. What is the cost of each player? So which is the option? That is the option number two is the correct option. Can you bought eight furnaces that each cost the same number? He spent 8,000 in all. How much did each furnace cost? So it's the whole motion. Option number two is the correct option, 1,000 plus. It costs $2.32 to buy four black markers. If the markers all have the same price, how much does it cost to buy one marker? So which is the correct option? That is 0.58. Option two is the correct option. Martha earned $400 working at a house maintenance. She worked for 4 days. How much did Martha earn per day? So which is the correct option? That is 100 correct. Okay, we can complete the lesson by yourself for the day. So we were working on grade 5 math, chapter we were working on estimation. The lessons we have covered today are divide two-digit number and three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Divide two-digit and three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. No problem. Divide larger number by digit numbers. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is the number for the next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you will write down the question in the chat box and you will answer all your questions in the conclusion of the program. So many questions you can ask. Your questions. Okay, then that's all for today session. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.